Teresa Armabel, a creativity master and chair professor at Harvard Business School, conducted a creativity experiment on children in a kindergarten. She divided the children into two groups to make collages. Then one group of children was allowed to choose the material they wanted, and the other group was allowed to use the material designated by the experimenter. As a result of the experiment, the children of the group who chose the materials themselves created more creative and more complete works. A person has a desire to be given a choice and to feel that his or her actions come from his or her own will. This is called the desire for autonomy. This is the perception that they are the source of their own behavior. Creativity is never expressed by someone's coercion. Listening to lectures and being educated doesn't make sense. Teaching people to live creatively is ridiculous. Accept failure and give them the authority and responsibility to do it on their own. Creativity grows in autonomous soil.